Alright, hello everyone, and welcome to the video supplement for November's quarantine craft. Today we are going to be making a felt and ribbon turkey pin, so we all look really nice for Thanksgiving. So like all the quarantine crafts, you can call any branch to reserve a kit, or if you don't want to wait, you can use the curbside service at Central and we will bring it right out to you. So every kit is going to have a felt circle, 4 long ribbons, piece of construction paper, a little pin, and 2 eyeballs. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our felt circle and our construction paper and cut around. The circle does not have to be perfect because nobody is going to see it after the fact unless you're wearing your pin inside out. Okay. Alright, so we're going to take our black circle and put it over by the wayside for right now. This is sticky back, so we're going to peel the wax paper off. We're going to take the flat part of our pin and stick it right here in the middle, and we're going to start his feathers. So this is not how it's going to come in your kit. You're going to have one piece of ribbon, you're going to have 4 of them, and you got to make the feathers yourself. So to do that, you're going to fold this guy in half and cut. You have 2 feathers, then you fold them again, and a dab of glue goes in here. You can use tacky craft glue like I use, or you can use hot glue. It's really up to you. So since we don't want to watch glue drying for the next 10 minutes, we're just going to go ahead and start sticking his feathers on. So again, this is sticky back, so it's going to help cut down the glue mess. And just go around. You might have to use a little bit of glue to anchor where it's not touching the sticky back. Okay, just flip him over, see how he's looking. It's looking like a turkey. So we're going to take the back of the pin off, and your black construction paper, or if you have black felt, that'll work too. Just stick it over the pin. Please do not stick yourself. And that. And then we're going to have to glue the back of our circle so the ribbons don't fall back out. But you shouldn't need a lot of glue. A little bit goes a long way. Alright, so we're going to flip them back over, let them dry, and then we're going to start to work on his face. So make sure you have sharp scissors when you're cutting your beak and wattle out of your ribbon scraps so it doesn't fall apart. We've got turkey beak going. And wattle, so we're just going to glue those on there. Beak. Wattle. And all that's left are his eyes. And that's it. You are good to go. We now have 2 turkey pins.